Dear students, hope you have solved open book test. I will give you third lesson's notes soon. Okay. Today we will start our fourth lesson, that is weather and climate. So page number 19. You can open your book also. So can you tell? Here one chart is given. The weather condition of a few places in India are as follows on 10th June. Use the table to answer the questions. So first column is serial number, second is place, third is state, next is time and weather. First place is Kochi. Kochi is in Kerala state. Time is 12:30 and weather is cloudy. Second is Bhopal. Second place is Bhopal. Bhopal is in Madhya Pradesh. Time is 12:30 and weather is hot and sunny. Third place is Mussoorie. It is in Uttarakhand. Hill station it is. Very beautiful place. Time is 12:30 and weather is cold weather and mild sun. So you have to study this chart nicely and you have to answer the questions. In which place will the clothes on a cloth line dry quickly? Why? You have to answer clothes will dry of Kochi, Bhopal or Mussoorie. From which place clothes will dry early? And why clothes will dry early in any place of Kochi, Bhopal or Mussoorie? In which place will they dry slowly? Okay, in which place clothes will dry slowly and why? Will the atmospheric conditions in these places always remain the same or will they change? So these weather conditions are of Kochi, Bhopal and Mussoorie. Date is 10th June and time is 12:30. So see, you can see how weather conditions are different. Kochi's weather condition is cloudy, Bhopal's hot and sunny, Mussoorie is cold weather and mild sun. So we will try to understand about weather and climate and we will get answer in the explanation. So the weather condition at each of the places given above are on 10th June. These weather conditions are of 10th June. Kochi has a cloudy weather. It means there is a little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moisture in the air will be high. So how is the Kochi's weather? It has little sunlight, rainy season has started there and moisture humidity is high in the air. Hence it will take a long time for the clothes to dry. So Kochi's clothes will not dry quickly, it will take long time to dry. So you may have observed a similar situation at a place during the rainy season. Students, we know that in Nanded also nowadays a rainy season, daily rainfall occurring and our clothes are not drying early. 2 to 3 days clothes are taking to dry. At Bhopal there is hot sun. भोपाल में क्या है hot sun. The water in the wet clothes gets converted into vapor quickly and the clothes will dry within a short time. भोपाल का वेदर कैसे है hot है sunny है तो इसलिए क्लोथ्स के अंदर जो वाटर है उसका वाटर वेपर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा और कपड़े जो है जल्दी से सूख जाएंगे. Mussoorie is located up to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. So in first second lesson we have studied about Tropic of Cancer. So where is Mussoorie? Mussoorie is above the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Cancer climate is very hot. Hence it receives less. So Tropic of Cancer's climate is hot but Mussoorie is above the Tropic of Cancer. Hence it receives less solar heat, means less heat. Mussoorie is receiving less heat as it is at hill station and it is above the Tropic of Cancer. The air there is cool. How is Mussoorie's air? Cool. Due to its location on a mountain. It is a hilly hill station. Clothes take longer to dry here because of the medium heat and cool air. तो हिल स्टेशन में कपड़े सूखने के लिए बहुत टाइम लगता है. आजकल हमको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कपड़े सुखाने का क्योंकि हमारे घर पे क्या है वॉशिंग मशीन है, लेटेस्ट वॉशिंग मशीन, जल्दी से सूख जाते हैं कपड़े. लेकिन जिनके घर वॉशिंग मशीन नहीं है तो उनके कपड़े ऐसे रेनी सीजन में जल्दी नहीं सूखते. Factors like heat, moisture and wind influence the time taken by the clothes to dry. See, same time is there, same date is there, but Kochi's clothes are taking too much time to dry. Bhopal's clothes are drying very fast, and Mussoories clothes are also taking too much time to dry. However, these conditions keep on changing. We always experience such changes. So we also will experience different season, climate, weather in Nanded. You can see today nowadays how is the weather in Nanded. Continuous rainfall is there, cloudy weather is there. I'm making video on this time also. Darkness is there outside, clouds are there in the sky. So can you tell which of the following statements are applicable to the condition that you have experienced today or yesterday at the place where you live? So some weather conditions are given. We have to think which weather conditions are in Nanded. So it was cold in the morning. When we talk about weather, we used to say that it was cold in the morning. Today means today is I'm making video on Wednesday, and Wednesday's morning was very cold. Cool breeze was blowing. So it was cold in the morning. In the afternoon, it become slurry. Slurry means sluttery, S-U-L-T-R-Y. The meaning of sluttery is hot and humid. When we talk about weather, we used to say it was cold in the morning. In the afternoon, it becomes sluttery. It rained suddenly in the afternoon. Cool breeze was blowing at down. Down means evening. Clouds gathered in the evening. So we use these sentences to speak about the weather. The night sky was full of stars and a pleasant breeze was blowing. Breeze means halki thand hawa, and pleasant means delightful, best, सुहानी जो अच्छी लगती है उसको pleasant breeze बोलते हैं. So weather, we are going to study about weather. We all always experiences atmospheric condition prevailing at a place at a given time. Prevailing means a particular time. At a particular time, we used to experience a different atmospheric condition. See, outside a rainfall started. So in this way, weather condition changes. We all always experience atmospheric conditions prevailing to a place at a given time. We often talk about it, but these conditions are short-lived. This is what we call weather. Weather conditions are short-timed conditions, short-lived conditions. For example, we say the weather is hot, the weather is cold, the weather is dry, or the weather is sluttery. When we talk about weather, we used to say weather is hot. If hot weather is there, we said weather is hot. If weather is cool, we said weather is cool. Weather is dry, weather is sluttery, etc. These words we use to speak about the weather. So can you tell, since childhood you have experienced summers? So we have experienced the summer, we have experienced the rainy season, we have experienced winter season. On the basis of your experience, answer the following question. In which months do summer, the rainy season and winter occur in the air from January to December? Students, you are grown up students, 6th standard student, you can say rainy season occurs in which month, summer season occurs in which month, and winter season occurs in which month. Now you can understand that rainy season over, Hana? We are getting excess rain, extra rain we are getting, already rainy season over. Okay, so next month is November. From November we will experience winter season, November to November, December, January, February. We will experience winter season. November, December, January and February we will experience winter season. And March, April, May, June we will experience rainy season. So you must understand that which months rainy season occur, in which months winter season occur, and in which months summer season occur. Which special clothes do we use if it is raining? See, now outside rainfall is there. So in rainy season, which clothes we wear? We wear gumboots, we wear raincoats, umbrellas we wear. Okay, so such types of clothes we wear during the rainy season. When do we use woolen clothes? Woolen clothes we wear in a winter season. In which season do we mainly use thin cotton clothes? When hot summer is there, we use thin cotton clothes. So this was all about the weather. We will study climate. Weather is a short-lived term. Weather conditions are short-time conditions, and climate we are going to study. You must have noticed that each season lasts for a particular period and each season occurs at a particular time of the year. So June, July, August, September, these are the rainy season months. October, November, December, winter season months. Okay. October, November, December, January are the winter season months. February, March, April are the. So students, you must have noticed that each season lasts for a particular period and each season occurs at a particular time of the year. The scientists observe the weather in a region for many years. Scientists used to observe a weather for many years. Okay, whether it is a Mussoories weather or a Delhi's weather, scientists used to observe it for many years. With the help of their studies, they define the mean weather condition. The average weather condition of a place observed over a long period of time is the climate. So climate is a long period of time. Scientists used to study long period of time the weather conditions and then they decide the climate of that region. Climate is generally expressed as a cool or a dry climate. We used to say climate is cool, Kashmir climate is cool and dry, and Rajasthan climate is hot and humid. Okay, or hot and dry. The weather changes quite often due to changes in temperature, winds and humidity. Why does weather changes? Weather changes because of temperature, winds and humidity. Humidity means moisture in the air. Water vapors in the air is called humidity. We always experience these changes. A sum of total of all these elements define weather. Scientists used to take readings of temperature, winds, humidity. They used to maintain the record. They used to calculate these elements. They used to take. They used to do some addition of all the readings, and they used to define the climatic conditions. We always experience these changes. So these affect our body, our day-to-day activities and lifestyle. Elements of weather are taken into consideration while describing the climate. For describing climate, scientists have to take into consideration the weather also. Elements of weather. So which are the elements of weather? Elements of weather are temperature, air pressure, winds, moisture, precipitation. So these are the elements of weather. Parts of weather: temperature, air pressure, winds, moisture, precipitation. These are the parts of weather, elements of weather. So one by one we will study. Temperature: the earth's surface gets heat from the sun. Earth is getting heat from the sun. As a result, the surface gets heated up. Earth gets heated up. The land of the earth gets heated up. The air close to the surface starts becoming hot, and later one by one different layers of air at higher elevation receive heat. First of all, land get heated, and after that the layers of air get heated one by one. First land get heated, and after that one by one layer get heated. Therefore, as we move upward from the sea level, the temperature of air decreases. As we go up from the sea level, temperature decreases. The temperature also goes on decreasing from equator towards the poles, that is North Pole and South Pole. In equatorial region, temperature is high. In polar region, temperature is low. Air pressure: air has a weight. As a result, it creates pressure. Air, we cannot see air, but it has a weight. As it has a weight, it creates pressure, and it is called air pressure. Pressure created by air is called air pressure. The lowermost layer of air gets subjected to the pressure of the upper layer. Upper layers press the lower layers of air, hence lower layers have more pressure. Hence, the density of lower layer of air increases. Which density is more? Lower air is very dense. Molecules of air are very close to each other. Very dense air, thick air is there near the ground, near the surface. There is a greater air pressure near the surface of the air. Air pressure is more near the surface of the earth. जमीन पे air pressure ज़्यादा होता है and it decreases with increasing height. जैसे हम जमीन से दूर दूर जाते हैं, लैंड से दूर दूर जाते हैं, एयर प्रेशर कम होता है और जमीन पे एयर प्रेशर ज़्यादा होता है. एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड वर्टिकल एयर प्रेशर. व्हाट आई सेड, on the land air pressure is more. As we go away from the land, air pressure becomes low and it is called vertical air pressure. These changes also occur in a horizontal matter. Horizontally also air pressure is not same. Vertically also air pressure is not same. Horizontally also air pressure is not same. Vertically lower air layers have more pressure and upper air layers have low pressure. Horizontally also air pressure is not same. Winds. What is winds? Air starts moving from high pressure to low pressure. Air starts moving from high pressure towards the low pressure areas in a horizontal direction. Always remain this line. Air moves from high pressure to low pressure. The moving air is called wind. Wind blows from high to low areas, low pressure areas. Its speed depends on the amount of difference in air pressure. So why does wind blows? Wind blows due to the difference in air pressure. If more difference is there, wind speed is more. If less difference is there, wind speed also less. So air moves from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Moisture means water vapors in the air. Moisture, the atmosphere contains vapor. The air that has a greater amount of vapor is called a humid air. Humid air means if the air is having large amount of water vapors, that air is called humid air. The humidity in the atmosphere is called moisture. If humidity is there in the air, it is called moisture. The proportion of moisture in the atmosphere depends on temperature. If more temperature is there, more vapors will be there. Less temperature is there, less vapors will be there. So the proportion of moisture is depend upon the temperature. More temperature, more vapors. Less temperature, less vapors. Air with higher temperature holds a greater amount of moisture. अगर टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होता है तो मॉइस्चर भी एयर में ज़्यादा होता है. एयर का टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा तो मॉइस्चर भी ज़्यादा. So precipitation, vapor in the atmosphere condenses. Condenses means get cools down. Vapors are there in the air and these vapors condenses. And when the water vapor condenses, cools, it becomes water droplets or a snow particles. They convert into snow particles. Their showering on the earth is called precipitation. When these water droplets fall on earth, it is called precipitation. Rainfall, snowfall, hailstorm, these are the forms of precipitation. What is meaning by precipitation? When water vapor condenses, get cools down, converts into water droplets, they falls on the earth, it is called precipitation. They can be fall in the form of rainfall, in the form of snowfall or hailstorm. Hailstorm matlab gara. These are the forms of precipitation. Weather is described on the basis of the conditions prevailing at the given time. Prevailing, what I said, prevailing matlab particular time. पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे वेदर कैसा है, कैसे कंडीशंस है, उसको बोलते हैं वेदर. While climate is described on the basis of condition prevailing over a longer period of time. For climate we have to observe for a longer period of time. Weather condition is a short term word and climate is a longer period of time. Weather keeps on changing frequently and we can experience the changes easily. Just now outside rainfall was there and you can see now how sunshine is there. Okay, before 5 to 10 minutes there was rainfall and you can see how sun is shining now. You can see how sun is shining. So in this way weather condition changes time to time. Just before 5 minutes there was rainfall, clouds were there in the sky and now you can see how sun is shining. how sun is shining in the sky. So weather condition changes time to time. Latitudinal position, latitudes I have said you. On the globe, horizontal lines are there. You can observe globe. Okay, and horizontal lines are there on the globe. These are latitudinal position. Equator is there, Tropic of Cancer is there, Tropic of Capricorn is there. So latitudinal position, height above the sea level, nearness of the ocean, oceanic current are the factor influence the climate. Near Goa, ocean sea is there, near Mumbai sea is there. So climatic condition of Goa, Chennai, Mumbai is different. Climatic condition of Nanded is different. So these are the factors which affects the climatic condition. Nearness of the ocean, oceanic currents. Oceanic currents means currents which blow in on ocean. So these factors influence the climate. Beside these, mountain ranges, types of land, local winds are the other factor influence of the climate of a region. Himalaya is a mountainous region, Sahyadri mountainous region. So Mahabaleshwar is a mountainous region. So climate will be different. Okay. So in next chapter we shall more study about the temperature. So students, always remember the weather at a place keeps on changing frequently, but the climate does not change that often. So climate means now rainy season is going on. Okay. And when we are talking about weather, just one day's condition we used to speak in weather, and climate means throughout year how was the condition of climate we used to say. The climate is different at different location. Within our country, India, it is cool at some places and hot at some other places. In India also you can see Kashmir cold conditions are there. Uttarakhand cold conditions, Himachal Pradesh cold conditions are there. And Rajasthan hot. So within India also different climatic conditions are there. It may be humid in some areas and dry in others. If you will go to Mumbai, humid weather is there, humid. And Rajasthan dry weather is there, Kashmir dry weather is there. The climate affects the entire living world in different ways. So these climatic conditions affect the living world. Life mostly thrives in the region which have conducive climate. Living things feel excellent, they grow, they develop nicely if the climatic conditions are good or conducive. The climate also influences the diet, shelter, etc. of living things. So you can see that Rajasthan's people clothing is different, their food is different. Okay, so it influences our diet and shelter. The distribution of water on the earth is also controlling the factor of climate. So how water is distributed throughout the earth, that also controls the factor of climate. So students, lesson number 4th I have explained you. You have to listen video carefully, you have to read lesson carefully, you have to search the meanings. You are having phone, you can search meanings on dictionary. Okay, each and every word I am not saying in Hindi or okay. So you have to search the meaning of these words, read lesson, try to understand, and I will give notes of lesson number 3rd and 4th in next period. Okay, thank you very much, have a nice day.